Chef, it's your girl here, and today we are going to be making Snickers Cheesecake. Now some of you requested for that, and here's the shout outs: Alicia and my grandma. So first we're going to start off with the crust and the ingredients you will need for this whole thingy, but I'll tell you later. So we're going to start with the ingredients for the crust. You're going to need 30 Oreos and 4 teaspoons of butter. Now, so if you have a food, normally you would do this in a food processor. You would put your Oreos in there and process it until there's like really fine ground crumbs. But since we don't have a food processor, I put my Oreos in a bag and I'm going to smash them with these habichuelas. Alright, so now that I'm done crushing these fine Oreos, they're fine into ground crumbs, you have to melt 4 teaspoons of butter, melted. So I'm going to pour that in here in the bowl, in with the Oreos, and now we are going to mix it. Alright, so now that I'm done smishing it, I'm going to put it into a 9-inch springform pan, and these are the usual pans that you would use if you were going to make cheesecake. So now we're kind of just going to take scoops, get in there, or you can do it the faster way, kind of just dump it in there. And then you can use your spoon to get out all the extra crumbs. So you're going to smush it with your spoon, not with your hand. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees so that way you can get ready for the crust. Alright, so now that I'm done smishing it, you're going to put your crust in and you're going to bake it for 10 minutes. Alright, so now that you put your cookie crumbs in the oven, your crust, we're going to start on the filling. So first, you're going to use 2 like batches of the cream cheese. 12 ounces each. So we're gonna put it in. Put it in. Oof, oof la loopa. Right. Oof. Alright, so make sure, so you need like a mixing bowl probably for this. So put all that cream cheese in there, all of that. Right. Give me a second. Boom. Come get it. Okay. Alright, so I have all of that out, and now we're gonna mix till it's smooth. Now we're gonna start mixing. Woo. Make sure you hold your bowl while doing this. And you're going to mix well when it's smooth, so. Now it's smooth. And now we're going to now you're going to take 5 eggs and you're going to crack it in there. But make sure you do it one at a time. And be careful not to get any shells in there. Ooh. Okay, I didn't get any shells. Okay. Now, after this, we're gonna mix again. You're gonna take your mixer. and we're gonna start mixing. So you're just gonna mix till it's fully done. Alright. So now we're gonna add our brown sugar. So you're gonna need 1 cup for the brown sugar. 1.5 cup for the brown sugar. 1 1/2 cup for the brown sugar. So now we're gonna add this in there. Alright. Now you're gonna take the 1/2 cup and you're gonna pour your brown sugar in there. And then you're gonna you need heavy cream, and you're gonna use your 1/2 cup for it. So let's open this. Because I have really sticky hands. So make sure you put your brown sugar in there. Alright, so you're gonna take your 1/2 cup. You're gonna take your heavy cream and you're gonna pour it in there until you reach the top, kinda. Alright. And then you're gonna add it into your mixture. So you only need 1/2 cup and that's it. And then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So you're gonna take your teaspoon, your 1 teaspoon, you're gonna pour the vanilla in there. Now don't do too much. You only need a teaspoon. Alright. And now we're gonna mix again. And we're gonna mix till it's kind of firm. And then, so make sure you chop up some Snickers. Fun size Snickers. And we're gonna add it into our mixtures. And make sure it's 18 Snickers that you chop up. So now we're gonna add it into our mixture. Oof. Come on. And then we're gonna mix again. So now our crust is done baking. You need crust to cool after it's done baking. We can't just go straight forward. Make sure the crust cools, and then we're gonna put the filling in. So now that our cookie crust is done cooling, we're gonna take our filling that we made. We're gonna just kind of put it in there.
Nope.
And then kind of when you're done,
Dump it.
So we're gonna dump it. Here we go. Ooh, look at that niceness.
Take your scooper.
Great. So I'm gonna take my scooper, kind of just put the rest in there. Come on, Snickers, you know you wanna get in there. Get in there, you know you wanna be in there. You know you do. Come on. Come on. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my scooper to kind of just spread the Snickers out because they're kind of all in one pile. So make sure you preheat your oven to 325, and then we're gonna bake it for 1 hour. And then after that's done baking, you're gonna let it cool for 4 hours. Alright, so now we're done waiting for it. The final piece has come out. So you should have your 1 cup of chocolate chips. Make sure you melted half a cup of heavy cream and chopped up 9 fun-sized Snickers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour this heavy cream into these sprinkles. So that we can, And then we're gonna mix it with this. So now that we're done mixing, we're gonna start drizzling on the cheesecake with our chocolate chip cream.
You have to spread it. You can take some of it, let it drizzle off the side. It made you a little thing about me, let it drizzle off the side. There you go. That looks so cool with this one. That looks delicious. Hey guys! You're gonna have to spread some more chocolate on this side. No, not that side, over here. Move some of this chocolate over. Move some of it over here. Can I see your spoon? Drizzle effect. Did you drop on this side? Just a little bit. Make sure, because you want to make sure the chocolate. No, let's cover that spot there. Alright, now what do you do next?
Take our 9 fun-size chopped Snickers. We're kind of just gonna sprinkle it on there. So I'm gonna bring this close to me. Ooh, alright. Let's do this. Oh, this is gonna look so
Spread it out. That goodness.
It looks so good after all that time making it. I think we did a good job, really. We're gonna try and fill all the sides up, so that way we could just do the middle when we're kind of done. Okay, we could take that and move it over there.
Now we're gonna let it cool.
Okay.
So we'll let it cool some more.
So after I'm done, we're gonna let it cool some more, and then we're gonna take it out, and then that's when we know it's gonna be ready. Alrighty, guys. So I got my slice of the cheesecake. It turned out real good. So as you can see at the very, very bottom, there's that Oreo crust right there. It looks real good. And then there's the filling in the cheesecake with the cheese and the cream and the brown sugar and stuff. And then on the top, we did our chocolate heavy cream. And then for the finals, we did our chopped up Snickers cake. Now for the final taste test. Ooh, I hope this is good.
Is it good?
That is delicious! That's good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And for watching, and bye-bye.